Let's take a look at what happened with Tesla today. So we closed at $346.68. That's $26.52 higher than what we closed last Friday. This is 8% higher, 8.23%. Post-market, we are pretty much even Steven. So let's take a look at what this 26.52 mean. Does this mean that Tesla is now going to go super high, super fast? No. It does not mean that, unfortunately, but it means something. So Tesla has been trending down since the end of last year. It has been trending down. And each time we are reaching this line right here, we are caving in. This is the cave-in that we had. So we had a cave-in at that line May 28, and right now we are testing it again. And so far we have caved in. We tried to go higher during the day, but we caved in and closed below. So this is what the resistance line is doing. It is preventing the price to get past it. This is the line, and it did exactly that today. I cannot make this up. Look at where we close. We close right smack on it. We close right below it. I cannot make this up. This line right here had been there for a long time. It has been there for a very long time. Take a look at the 1 hour chart to understand a little bit more what happened today. So first hour of the day, we had a super nice green, big green candle. So basically the whole move of the day happened in the first hour. Boom, the first hour. So on the 1 hour chart, this is what happened. Then we could not get higher than 355. So this is another number that we need to remember, 355. We caved in under 355, and we also, look at this. This is the resistance I was talking about. We are above it. So technically, we are just a little bit outside of it, but this is so close that I won't call it a break. But for sure, this resistance is really having an impact on the stock. Let's go back on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, with this move today, what are we having in terms of indicators? So stochastic is now over 60. This is positive. We need stochastic over 60 in order to have a move up. Then DMI has turned positive. Also, the relative strength of Tesla compared to the SPY, we have also turned positive. But I would like to get a little bit more of a breakout. A little bit better breakout than what we have right here. This is just too close on it. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. But we could cave in or we could continue. If we continue, as I mentioned, this is going to be nice. We still have some resistance at 360.65 right here. Once we break that, then this is going to go a lot better. But right now, we have not crossed it. If we take a look at this right here, 360.65, we stopped there. We have been stopping there in the past a lot. So this is another big test. So Tesla has two big tests to break from. On the daily chart, it needs to break outside of this downward resistance. On the 1 hour, we can argue that it's done, but it's so close that we don't even see it on the daily chart. So that's the first test that we need to have succeed. And then the second test is going to be this. And then Tesla is going to be free. It is going to be free to go where it has gone before and maybe higher. We are going to be free to continue to 484, which is the all-time high, and maybe a little bit higher because we have a bullish channel resistance right here, which is approximately 530-ish. So this is where we could be going if we go over the hurdles that we have right now. Let's take a look at the VIX, what happened to the VIX. So VIX was pretty volatile today. Let's go on the 1 hour chart. We started to go lower, then went quite high, quite fast, above 22.39. When VIX is above 20, this is not good to go long. So this could have had a lot of negative effects, but no, it lasted just within an hour. We came back down, and now we are just barely below 20. So below 20 is where we want to be. It's not like it's a specific number. If it's above, it's bad. If it's below, it's good. we still need to consider as a whole where we are. So we are between 19 and 2150. It's not bad, but we need the VIX to go a little bit lower. And now that Iran has attacked the US, one of the biggest US base, so is this going to have an impact? Is it going to scare people? We don't know. We need to check that VIX very closely. Let's take a look at the stock indices. Dow Jones, nice day, up 0.89%. We have support at 41,826, so we are holding that support. This is nice. We were into a bullish channel. We got outside of it, so that's not as good. So now we are really going sideways. We are stuck between 41,826 and 43,339. If we do this, that's a sell. If we do it, that's a buy. SPX, quite good. On Friday, we stopped right smack on support. Cannot make this up again. Now we are bouncing off of it. This is a nice day. We still need to break 61.44 in order to confirm any move up. Nasdaq, same thing. Smack on support. Cannot make this up again. So we need 22,122 at least. And then we have 22,284 because sometimes we go up to that number and come back. So 22,284 is the real number we are looking at in order to have a bigger move. Because right now, this is a top, and maybe this is going to be a triple top, and we could still be going down. So until we break the resistance at 22,284, until we break it, we have not broken it. Russell, nice day too, 1.73% up. This is nice, but we have been there before. So, you know, once burned, twice shy. We have been here before and caved in. So, you know, we need to get at least up to 21.49, at least. We are close, but we are not yet there. Maybe tomorrow it is going to happen and then we can change our mindset. But before something happens, it has not happened yet. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. Engadget, of course, being a little bit negative. Tesla's first robotaxi rides are already running into a few bumps. You can go on the interwebs, take a look at the robotaxi rides. This is really interesting to see. So yes, there has been some hiccups. There's a video of a ride that showed a Tesla briefly driving on the wrong side of the road. Yes, the service is not perfect yet. They are still fine-tuning everything. But I think that if one company can get there, this is going to be Tesla. So another news, Tesla robotaxi video shows speeding, driving into wrong lane. Yes, we know. Tesla is soaring on successful robotaxi launch. Yeah, soaring in one sense. This was a good day. This was absolutely good day. But I would not say it's soaring yet. We need to let it go past 360.65 in order to start qualifying the move as soaring. But let's not forget also, stock futures hold steady as investors monitor Middle East developments. Prices pair earlier gains. So there's still a lot of uncertainty with the tariffs and with the war and with everything. We have seen better days where Tesla would just go launch and go crazy. So this is not one of those times. This is a lukewarm move because we are still in a downward channel. This is the whole thing. We are into a downward channel. This is affecting the whole thing. Tesla has been going down since the beginning of last year. We cannot say this is good. The stock is trending down and now it is fighting. It is fighting against the sellers that are pushing the stock down and the buyers that are trying to break and pushing the stock up. This is the fight that is happening. The fight is right here. And nobody knows who is going to win. Nobody knows. But we are going to find out as it happens and act accordingly. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.